Hello everybody, today we're in Slime Rancher. Last video I said I was gonna explode the Tabby Gordo. Okay, this is not a spot I've seen before. This is where pogo fruits and these guys live. Anyway. Oh, some carries. What's down here? My death? Or is it? Wait. Let me check. Oh! That was way too close. For comfort. What's down here? I have never ever. Oh, it's just restarts down here. Okay. Then what's down here? I'm definitely not making it over there. I'll die like every time I try to do it. Even with 250, 350, 450. Teleport! Yay! Kaboom! Okay. Are you kidding me? Let you guys go and wait for you to turn hen. I gotta get an it. So we're just escaping. In it. I can put you in there. Oh! That was. Do you see these guys' faces? That face is like, you're like creepy. That is literally creepy. Anyways, I gotta get an upgrade. Ah! Water, dash boots, towels, wave. I got $2. Make a splash. Where can I get water from? Okay. Ooh, pow! Explode! No chickens around here. Fell down. It's a new part. Oh, it just brings me down here.